Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening the screenshot toolbar with Shift-Command-5. This is the snipping tool equivalent on Mac. Once the toolbar appears, decide why you need the capture so you pick full screen, window, or a selected area. Make sure to set the timer, options for mouse clicks, and the save location, because that controls workflow later. When you're ready, click Capture or press Return. This gives you an immediate preview to confirm you got the right content. Next, refine the shot. Drag to draw the exact region you want and hold space to reposition the selection easily. Once done, check options to include the cursor, set a 5 or 10-second timer for menus, or choose where the file saves. After you click Capture, use the floating thumbnail that appears in the corner to trim, annotate, or share immediately. This step saves time because quick edits avoid reopening apps for minor adjustments. Keep moving until the image looks right. To finish, tap the floating thumbnail to open markup. Crop, draw, add text, or sign so the image is ready for use. Once edited, save via File Save, or drag the image straight to Mail, Messages, or a folder. That keeps your workflow fast. If captures aren't working, make sure shortcuts aren't remapped in system settings, and verify screen recording permission under Privacy. Fixing those two things usually resolves most issues quickly, so you can keep capturing without delay.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.